Republic of the Fiji military forces. We also welcome them this morning. Behind them are the ex-servicemen, the veterans of our nation. A big round of applause to them. They have sweated, they have sacrificed. The effort that they have done in nation building. Following them are the Fiji Police Force. We extend a very warm welcome to the officers of the Fiji Police Force. Celebration cake by the chief guest, the wives of fallen soldiers. On behalf of the Minister of Defense, we extend a very warm welcome to our chief guest.
Officers on parade! Officers, salute!
Honorable guests, Your Excellency, kurang token na isang olada, Deputy Secretary for Defense, Commissioner Northern, senior government officials, fellow peacekeeping veterans, family members, ladies and gentlemen, and a very good morning to you all. It is indeed a privilege and an honor to join you today as we celebrate the 40th anniversary of Fiji's participation in peacekeeping missions abroad. Today is a day for celebration, a day of remembrance and reflection of the selfless sacrifice our troops made for the preservation of global peace. The journey for us began 40 years ago as a nation just gaining independence and looking for a way to contribute to nation building and effectively participate in global affairs. We pay tribute to our leaders at the time for their vision to involve Fiji for a greater good in the pursuance of global peace, and peacekeeping was the answer to our leaders' intention. Not only it did lift Fiji's footprint around the globe, it also contributed to the very essence of our participation, which is nation development and socio-economic progress. Fiji's global profile has significantly enhanced as a result of our commitment to peacekeeping. Our chairmanship and participation in various United Nations and international programs may well be attributed to the ultimate sacrifice that our men and women in uniform have made in the service of global peace. Our leaders may have passed on, but their vision has become a reality, and its impact continues to be a resonating factor until today. With this being said, I wish to reminisce the words of the former U.S. Joint Chief of Staff Chairman and Secretary of State, Colin Powell, where he rightly stated, and I quote, "A dream that does not become a reality through magic. It takes sweat, determination, and hard work." Unquote. The accomplishment of this vision took years, and it was not until 1978 that Fiji deployed 500 personnel to UNIFIL exactly 40 years ago this month. The theme for the week-long celebration is titled Fiji's Sacrifice for Global Peace. As a nation, our contribution to global peace came at a price where 60 Fijian peacekeepers lost their lives upholding the principles of the United Nations Charter. Today, we shall reflect on the sons of Fiji who paid the ultimate sacrifice for global peace, and we should never forget their sacrifice and contribution to the region. Many have suffered personal hardship while being deployed in peacekeeping missions, and yet they stayed on course, the mandate which they were called upon to uphold. This we shall also remember. Their exemplary service has directly contributed to our reputation as exceptional peacekeepers. From the initial development in 1978, currently Fiji maintains 8 active missions abroad, apart from the military. This is inclusive of missions manned by the police and correction personnel. The vision by our leaders that peacekeeping could not contribute significantly to nation building has materialized for individual families and communities. The remittance from peacekeeping has personally helped in the acquisition of properties in urban areas, village, and most importantly, the investment in the education for their children. Lastly, we take this opportunity to remember those that sacrificed their lives for the greater good and did not live to see get their children the fruits of their labor. To their widows, children, families, and Vanua, we say, we salute the ultimate sacrifice by your husbands, fathers, and sons. And for the young generation, lest we forget, for tomorrow they gave their today. Now, Levu, Vanua, thank you, and may God bless us all.
Of tour. They will never be replaced in our families. We can replace them with our memories of what they have done for our nation, for Vanua, for our family.
also, so let me reiterate what I mentioned in the morning. The theme for this celebration is Fiji sacrifice for international. Soldiers from the Subrail barracks who will enact the services conducted by the peacekeeping officers when on a tour